Python versus C++. Welcome back. Today we're diving into a comparison between two powerful programming languages, Python and C++. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding the differences can help you choose the right language for your projects. Let's break it down. First, let's look at what each language is about. Python is an interpreted, high-level language known for its readability and simplicity. It's great for beginners and widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and automation. Python's syntax is straightforward, making it easy to write and understand code. On the other hand, C++ is a compiled general-purpose programming language that extends the C programming language. It's known for its performance and efficiency, making it a go-to for system/software development, game development, and applications requiring real-time processing. C++ allows for low-level memory manipulation, giving developers greater control over system resources. Now, let's compare syntax and readability. Python's syntax is designed to be clean and straightforward. For example, to print hello world in Python, you simply write print hello world. C++ has a more complex syntax. The same task in C++ looks like this. So you need to make a hashtag include iOS stream using namespace std and then the rest of the code. As you can see, Python's syntax is less cluttered, making it more approachable for beginners. However, C++ provides features like function overloading and operator overloading, allowing for more flexibility in how functions are defined and used. Next, let's discuss performance. C++ typically outperforms Python in execution and speed due to its compiled nature. C++ typically outperforms Python in execution speed due to its compiled nature. When you write a C++ code, it's compiled directly into machine code, which the processor can execute directly. This makes C++ suitable for performance-critical applications like game engines or real-time systems. Python, being an interpreted language, is slower because it translates code into machine language at runtime. However, Python's simplicity and the vast number of libraries available can lead to faster development times, especially for data analysis and web applications where raw performance is less critical. Finally, let's look at the ecosystems and typical use cases for each language. Python boasts a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, such as Django for web development, Pandas for data analysis, and TensorFlow for machine learning. This makes it a popular choice for data scientists and web developers. C++ is widely used in game development, with engines like Unreal Engine, system programming, operating systems, and applications requiring high performance and resource management like embedded systems. Both languages have strong community support, but Python's community is often more beginner-friendly, while C++ communities can be more focused on performance optimization and system-level programming. So in summary, choosing between Python and C++ depends on your project requirements and goals. If you prioritize ease of use and rapid development, Python might be the way to go. But if performance and control over system resources are critical, C++ is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more programming insights. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.